rev. Nice one, Gary! What's up, what's up? That's Gary in the background, and he's looking at the S13 barn find Wasabi, we've named it. Looking nice and dusty. We skull dragged it out under the trailer here. We get it back to the Mack shack. I had the boys rock up to me joint and say, righto, let's get it going. We'll swap the petrol tank out, make it run, but all the audio from all my video footage went absolute like this. Just a mime. So stay tuned. Continuing on with no sound, I was telling people this is the before and after, before my missus uses her new wet vac sucky thing over here. I show you how dirty all the mud and water come out of it. Hand it back to her and say, thanks, babe. Said a cheeky little joke. She laughs at me and goes, God, you're a dick. But interior came up amazing, and you'll see the end later on. Well, these have come up absolutely amazing. I haven't got the light that can actually show how good they are, but they're drying off nice. It's good, there's no steam, so the fire's not too hot. Inside, I'm with the light in here, but I can show you the boot. Now, this was absolutely disgusting, so that has come up mint. Moving forward, I'll have to grab a whole heap of these little grey little poppet clips, but that's easy done. Tell you what, if you haven't got a missus that supports you and helps you out, I feel sorry for you, because without my wife, she is absolutely amazing. Like, to do this sort of stuff together, and she worked her little ass off today, so love you, babe. Absolutely amazing effort. She's like, why haven't you cleaned it yet? Well, I don't know. I wanted to get it running. Ridley and all the boys helped do that. You guys are legends. And I thought, oh well, she was wanting to clean that. So it's baby steps. We've got it running, so we'll do an oil change. We'll look at getting it roadied. Found a few things, wiper motor, a few headlights. But we're working them out, so if anyone has a standard S13 Japanese radio, that would be amazing. Then the interior even, will be absolutely standard. And hey, take it easy. Anyway, enjoy this commercial break where we've got 5 slots on the car now. Not really, I stole them off Crash Bandicoot. And if you haven't watched all the videos on this, we have just painted all this yesterday in all the 2-pack. They're drying, looking amazing. The diff over here. Woof. Spicy. So stay tuned. Don't know if this will end the video up now, but yeah, probably not, because I've got to clean it, don't I? So you won't clean it? Yes, I will. I'll clean it right now to get it roady. Let us know what tyres. I'm going to keep the same rims, but I want a sort of gangster looking semi-slick sort of tyre to keep those. I want to go spacers, probably tuck it a little bit lower. I just want to sort of keep it as a survivor car. And rumour has it, I looked at some photos last night. Have a guess down below, how long do you think I've actually owned this car? Or did I say it earlier in the video? 9 years. So if you saw it earlier, kudos to you. Or if you skipped a lot, 9 years. So the missus has finally agreed to let me get it registered. And it's been a long time coming, because she was going to let me buy an XR Fairmont, my dream car. XR GT is my dream car, but it's an XR. It was mint. I've had XTs everywhere, but no XR. In my head, I'm thinking, all right, I could spend 10 grand more on this XR, or we could get the car that I've already got and get that registered. So like, comment, subscribe, stick around, see what we're going to do this, and let us know what you think about the 5-slotters, and stay tuned with Crash Bandicoot up there. We're going to get a lot of work done on that, so check it out, you won't. Well, there you are. What an absolute shame that none of the banter in the video worked. So it runs and drives. Well, I drove outside. So I think it's time we give this old girl a clean. It's probably been amazing that I didn't get all the dust off it, because we've been doing everything on this XY build and we had overspray go over everything. So the dust, we trust. It's kept us good. So stay tuned. We'll give her a nice little bath now. Alright guys, Wasabi all washed up. She will get a proper detail once she's on the road, but she's clean enough. We'll go to me mate's shop, see what we need for a roadie, and get this weapon back on the road. So thanks for staying with us. I lost so much good bloody footage and banter and all that sort of shit. All the starting up and all the cheers and high fives and all the beers, but this year's all up and running. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. If you're into other cars, we're building an XY GT. I've got my drift car GT. There's lots of other things. Got AU Falcon that I've built up for drifting, so stick around, you won't. Happy bloody Saturday. Well, Gary and I are on the first maiden voyage in Wasabi, and we thought it was all going well until we got to the petrol station, and we've started running on about 2 cylinders. So we're heading into Ridley's Automotive slowly. Let's hopefully make it. Treat yourselves. You won't.
You won't.
All right, we've got it all running. Jack and Ridley have just absolutely laughed at my car because I've put these shocks in, the old Max painting shocks, and I heard a big dunk dunk dunk, because I've never done coilovers before, have I, Gary? And yeah, I might have cooked it putting it in. So they're laughing at me going, you muppet. So they're teaching me how to lower cars properly, and they're getting the El Spandola. What are we doing, Jackie? We're
treating base height adjustable coilovers like base height adjustable coilovers. And putting the spring back where the spring meant to be.
What do you mean? Is it meant to sit up the top there?
Well, it sounded like a GQ flexing out.
Yeah, you should have seen the flex when I went up the servo driveway.
Yeah, clang clang into the servo. Yeah, preload is whatever that is.
Yes.
So that'll do it.
Sensational. And then that's our lowering, is it?
Yeah, so that's your lowering.
Ah.
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 You want it up or down.
Hence why I video stuff, Gary. Dad knows this. Bloody son's stealing me car.
Go to Donna.
Oh, you can't adjust this one. It's got a tech screw through there.
How did it pass the road?
So if anyone, well, it hasn't yet. I've never actually seen it move.
Better now?
Yeah.
You ready?
Thoughts, son? Thoughts?
It's good when you drive it like a manual.
Yes.
You lock it in, love it.
It's slow as a bloody wet week the other way. Oh yeah, look at this. Now the missus is taking out Wasabi. suits ya. And you got your Vic Drift bloody top on. It's like you're a JDM chick. Might get a few phone numbers on this trip. We just hear this single pegger at the front of the driveway, and this is just ripping. Oh, yep. Because it's a single spanner. Woo-woo. Bloody big day today. Got this roadworthy. Tanya's even driven it. Sold bloody whatever Trevor. All in one day. Unbelievable. Alright kids, that is the video, the interior. It's been washed, it drives. There's a few things I've got to get the tyres and stuff done on it, but big shout out to Ridley, Benny, Tawana, Zach, Jack, everyone, Tanya for cleaning everything. You guys are legends, so stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. We've got the motor and everything for the XY, the auto, so big things are happening with Crash. Check it out, you won't?